Yo, what's up, what's up, team? Hope y'all having a good time. Oh, let me turn down the music a little bit. What's up? I hope you all had a great weekend so far. My weekend was great. Um, yeah, today's giveaway time. You already know that. So it's time to win some money and the Genius Trading Masterclass course and lifetime membership in the Inner Circle group chat in Discord. Yeah. Um, if you're new here to this YouTube channel, guys, check the links in the description and join my free Telegram channel just to stay updated about the upcoming giveaways, about some trades, results, or whatever. Just check the links in the description if you need some help when it comes to trading. Then drop me a message. But have some patience. I have a lot of students who text me, so yeah, it takes some time for me to answer. But I will answer personally. So yeah. Let's get it, guys. This was the first video where I said, oh, maybe I'm gonna do a giveaway, and a couple of people have dropped a comment. As you can see, 176 people have dropped a comment, and now let's pick a winner, and the winner gets $100, the lifetime membership plus the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Let's get it, guys. Random comment picker. Okay, let me paste the URL in this box. We have 157 unique commenters, and let's pick the winner, guys. Thank you for your support. Terrakush Gaming, bro, you need to drop me a message. Show me that it's your YouTube account. Drop me a message with your PayPal email address so I can send you the money, and then we start trading, man. Let's get it. The next video was Dominic from Switzerland, who turned $300 into $4,000 in just one trade by loading it up. Yeah, he gave a really nice feedback to the course, and some of you have dropped a comment below that video, and one of you guys can win the same thing. Let's see who we got. Let's see who we got. 105 commenters. If you're already a member of the Inner Circle, you get $250 in a one-on-one call with me, okay? Diamond tag, bro. If you see this, make sure to drop me a message, man. Let's get it. The next video was James Bax from Scotland. Man, I really love this guy, man. He's really cool. He got a dog as well, like me, and he's a really cool dude, man. He's from the entertainment industry. He has worked as a stuntman, and yeah, you really need to check his feedback on YouTube and listen to this guy, man. He's been through a lot of struggle, and yeah, he's really happy that he's now a member of the Inner Circle, because now he know how to flip, yeah, how to make money out of more money, and yeah, just stack that shit up, you know. Okay, the Gleeful Man, you are the winner, bro. Make sure to drop me a message. Congratulations, man. You got $100 lifetime membership, Genius Trading Masterclass course. Yeah, show me that's your YouTube account, and we're gonna fix the rest. Now we got this one here with 1,258 comments. Really cool comments. Guys, really enjoyed reading some of your comments, but I couldn't read all of them, but it's been a lot, and thank you for your support, guys. And I'm gonna pick 2 winners right now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners this Sunday. That's awesome, guys. Let's get it. Let's see what we got. How many unique commenters? I think around 800. Yeah, 863. And I'm gonna pick 2 winners. Let's see who we got. Oladeida Mola. You need to drop me a message, boy. Let's get it, and let's pick another winner. Let's see who we got. Yeah, this one was a nice beat. Okay, Luton TV, man. You got it, man. Drop me a message. You already know what's going on. And for all of you who could not win the giveaway, guys, ayo, check the Genius Trading Masterclass course. You will get access to the group chat where you can chat to all of our traders. We're around 700 people in there. and everybody's helping each other and share their trading ideas, discuss them and everything. So yeah, and besides that, you got this course with nearly 100 lessons about everything you need to know: risk management, entry patterns, exit patterns, candlestick formations, big mindset psychology part where you learn how to really think like a trader, and where you learn how to get over these hurdles and obstacles that being thrown on your way when you're trading with real money. Okay, so yeah, this, and of course you got a couple of strategies inside of this as well that you can use to make money. And yeah, a big inspiration and set targets part where you can start, yeah, living your dream. That's what it's all about. Yeah, check the Genius Trading Masterclass course if you're not inside yet. And let's make some money, guys. I wish you a great weekend, a profitable week, and see you in the next video. I'm sure I will drop a video where I'm going over a couple of charts for the next week, so we see what we can do, where we can make some money. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Peace out. What you know, every time I, my body, you know.